Okay, in this video we are having this question to find for the derivative of y, given that we have x factorial. Using the basic formula that is n factorial is equals to n to the power n e to the power minus n. Okay, what can we do here? We can apply ln function so as to remove or expand or separate this thing. Okay, putting ln here, that will be ln y is equals to what? Ln of x to the power x e to the minus x all that to the square root of 2 pi x. Okay, you can further simplify since ln a b c is equals to ln a plus ln b plus ln c and ln of a to the n is equals to n ln a. You can apply the same principle here, but to have what? Ln y is equals to what? Ln x to the power x plus ln e to the power minus x plus ln of what? You can put 2 pi x all that to the power half. Okay, that's what we have here. We can further simplify by bringing down everything to have what? Ln y is equals to what? X ln x plus, you can say minus x, because ln e is equals to 1, you can say minus x plus, here we are going to be having what? Half ln of 2 pi x. We can further simplify at this level to have what? Half ln 2 pi plus half ln x. Okay, using this principle, hence we are going to have what? Half ln 2 pi plus what? Half ln x. Okay, from here we can easily differentiate this. Okay, differentiation at this point, you can differentiate ln y. Ln y with respect to x, that will be what? 1 all over y dy all over gx. We are going to have what? 1 all over y dy all over gx is equals to what? We move on. Since this is like a product, x ln x is a product, we are going to use what? A product rule to differentiate this one to have what? V du, that is 1 over x plus u plus v du plus u dv, we differentiate this to have 1. Hence our answer will be what? X plus x times 1 over x plus ln x. This and this will cancel. We are going to be having what as the derivative of this? We are going to have 1 plus what? Ln x. Okay. We differentiate x to have what? Minus 1. And if we differentiate this other one, have this is directly a constant. Looking at it, because this is a constant, 2 pi is a constant, hence this will give a 0 plus what? If we differentiate half in x, we can put the half outside, and differentiating x, we are going to have what? 1 half into 1 all over x. Therefore that will be 1 all over 2x. Okay, we are already having this, hence this and this will cancel out. We are going to have what? 1 over y dy all over gx is equals to what? We move on to have ln x plus 1 all over 2x. Okay, hence at the end you can say dy all over gx is equals to what? We bring this y here, y ln x plus 1 over 2x. Okay, hence we can just recopy this answer here to say, or we can just recopy here to say dy all over gx is equals to what? This y is equals to what? X factorial. That will be x factorial of what? Times, okay, ln x plus 1 all over 2x. And we come to the end of this video. This is the answer to this derivative.